Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is Sarah. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a weekend update, so it'll be filled with random behind the scenes or more detailed looks at things I'm doing. I also sometimes share things that I made that didn't make a video. They weren't big enough, they weren't interesting enough, whatever. I have some embellishments I want to show you, all sorts of things. I just sort of keep a list of random things, and then it's for weekend updates. Let's get started with mail. I have 3 cards here. I also have a separate video that'll come out later in the week for Happy Mail. Oh, I'm worried I'm going to snip this one. I'm doing a funny thing with my mail where I go check my P.O. box and then I just leave it in my car because I figure, I don't know, I don't have any of that spray, and so I just sort of quarantine my mail for a while. So that's my system. So if you feel like I haven't responded, that's what's up. And Miss Pamela, it came through the mail like this, so I hope we didn't lose anything or damage the card. This one's from Susan Tootsie Tucker. If you watch her channel, Susan and Brandy both have a channel. She's Crafty Reasons. Pamela, that I know of, doesn't have content. So when I say you have a channel, it means you have content. You all have user accounts. That's how I know your name, right? If you watch Susan Tootsie Tucker, anything could be in this envelope. Like, you have no idea. When you get a card from her, you have no idea what it's going to be. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cool. She's been doing all sorts of coloring and decorating of wooden embellishments on her channel. And it just doesn't, I mean, they're gorgeous, right? But in person, you just see so much more. So she's colored it, glittered it. That egg has a tiny bow. She's got 3 different papers layered up. This one has sparkle on it too. Oh my gosh, let me take a peek inside. Hope your day was filled with chocolate. Big hugs and blessings, Susan. Chocolate, yes, it was. And I need to warn you, if you haven't put on a pair of jeans or some unforgiving clothes lately, my friends, I recommend you do so. I noticed that I was editing a video and my stomach showed. And then I did a full length. This is what I will do for you guys. That's crazy. I did a tidying video. It's going to come out later this week. My whole body shows. And I thought to myself, oh my, first of all, I wasn't wearing clothes that were actually my size. And second of all, wow, not getting enough steps for sure. Look at Brandy's card. Oh my gosh. So Brandy is amazing at coloring. Amazing. She sent me some colored images before, and one of them I'm still just hoarding, and I actually haven't given any of the cards away that I made with them. You and me and a cup of tea. Look at this. Watch. Oh my gosh. Brandy and Noni would make cards together for sure, wouldn't they? So detailed. Look at that. There's one more. I feel like I just got an advent calendar. Pokey tool works for everything, right? Oh my gosh. Brandy, this is ridiculous. Am I supposed to open this one? Yeah, it's just tiny. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh my gosh, that is darling. And her little gnome sleeping down there. I'm just going to give you a minute where we get it all and you can look. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Brandy, this is crazy detailed. It's all layered up. She's got die-cut grass back here, and then the mushroom is at the back of the hill, and then this little fairy is out here in the front, and the ladder. It's all separate pieces. She sent me some blue goodies and some hugs and love. So that's very sweet, Brandy. Thank you so much. I just love it. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. She said somebody sent her something and these stamps were on. I love them. That is just too fun. For my junk journals and for my cards, I'll show you a couple embellishments. I've started working stamps in a bit. Laugh more. That is adorable. Look at it. It's so dainty. It's dainty. I have it upside down. Okay, so there's boats and anchors, swimming, beach. Oh, it's a summer one. Foodie, tasty, yum, and then an organic leafy one. Oh, those are beautiful. I don't have any of those. Love them. Thank you so much, Brandy. It's so sweet that people are taking time to spread cheer and think of each other. I love it. Okay, Pamela, let's see what you got going on here. By the way, loving this envelope. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, look at, oh my gosh. Hello, friend. Oh, is this going to be sad? I'm going to read it off for a second. Oh my gosh. Look at that dog. Did you, is it colored with Copics? I don't even understand. Maybe it's a 2-layer stamp, or you stamped it and then you added, somehow she has added a lot of color and dimension to that dog. And I love this mixed media purple and blue you've got going, and the bone and the bowl and the ball. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh, not at all an amateur card, Pamela. Look, she's embossed behind it. So it's embossed, layered. She said this was one of the first ones she ever made. Well, that's just too cool. Love the tag. Pamela, this does not look like a rookie card at all. I love it. And thank you guys. That's so, so sweet. Yeah, it's a little different without Pooh Bear. You'll notice in my videos, though, Wilson's gotten his bark back because you can hear random barking in the background. Yeah, that's always my dog you hear. He was pretty quiet for at least a week or so, and we were kind of worried. We thought maybe that was his new personality, you know, like the garter in him turned off because she's not here. But I think he just needed a little quiet time, and now he's back. But he does bark a lot less because she was the boss and she would tell him to bark. Thank you so much, ladies. This is all beautiful and sweet, and I just appreciate you guys and knowing that you're there. You're going to see things out of order, but I think that's just how life is, right? You'll still see them and have fun. This is what I made when I sat down last night to watch, drumroll, Adventures in Babysitting, Maria. Yep, that's what we watched. Turns out you can do a Cinemax trial for 7 days for free because we were trying to find Adventures in Babysitting. A lot of those old movies are like $4 online, and that's great. I mean, or if you already have subscription services that they're included in, but look around a little if you want to watch them, because otherwise those movies aren't that long. You're going to spend a lot of money in a day. We watched Adventures in Babysitting, Elizabeth Shue. It was more fabulous than I remembered. And my mom and my sister texted me, and my mom said, I'm so tired of, being at home. And I wrote back and said, Adventures in Babysitting right now. And my sister said, Thor. So, it's a memorable movie for my sister and I. It was great. Loved it. And then I turned my head for a second and my husband fired up Can't Buy Me Love. And if you remember that, that's one with the lawnmower. Who is it? McDreamy. Patrick Dempsey? Is that right? I don't know. But anyway, he's the lawn mowing neighbor. That was a good one too. So we stayed up late watching movies, and High Fidelity is still on the list, Pamela. This is how I make embellishments when I watch movies. This was kind of my supply tray, right? I had stickles and glossy accents and a gold pen. We were going out to the shop. We said we were going to the movies. So I packed up a little kit. This would be kind of like what I would do when I went to bed at night. Completely forgot to use my tiny attacher, of course. I did use my corner rounder, 1 bottle of stickles. Didn't use the gold pen. And then I had this container, and it was a complete mess. These are the things that I bagged because color-wise, they probably shouldn't have been in there. I don't know why there was a stamp in the bottom. That was part of our tidying mess. And then these are things that we could keep building on. So what I did was I found a large item in there, and I layered on it. And I still have all these. These aren't rejects or anything. I got tired, and I was sitting on a bench without a pad, so it wasn't that fun. I'll have to bring a cushion tonight if we go to the movie theater. This one, pretty simple. I took a butterfly, I drew on it with my Clear Star Jelly Roll pen and added some stickles. I don't think I'm done here. That sticker has been floating around in my craft room. I don't know. It's been in my craft supplies for years, making me crazy. Here we go. Look, I used a stamp and another stamp, an awesome wood embellishment, a butterfly in the background, some stars. This was part of an old sticker off the sticker sheet, seam binding. I didn't reach for any of these items. They were just in the bin. And then what I do is I take the stuff out of the bin and I start sorting it by size. And if you want to layer embellishments, you need to think about, start with an anchor piece, any shape. Could be a circle, could be a piece of brown paper you tore, something, and then layer on top of it. And then your tiny tinies, you want to kind of set aside in a different pile, because I add these little tiny silver stars after. I don't know where the package is. I think there's a couple left, but I've had those silver stars for like years. So this is a great way if you have something that you just want to use it up. Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts has that Use It Up 2020 challenge. This is a great way to do it. You just sit down with it and you say, I'm going to mix it in and use it. Here I have a flower and some fussy cut flowers off a sticker. And this is a center of a butterfly. Or a sticker. It was too big and I needed something small to go there. A camera. I don't even know what that came from, but it's been floating. This was it was a leftover ticket that I found on the counter when I was done with something splendid. It's just all random stuff. And they just make the cutest things. Look, this is a piece of, like, what is it? Fun foam. And I painted it with some acrylic paint in the right color sitting next to me. So I painted it with a popsicle stick. I couldn't find a paintbrush. I know, crazy, huh? This one was a metal circle tag, and there was a love sticker and a happy day, a happy heart clear sticker. And there was some, I don't know, twine of some sort in that little tub. And a wood embellishment. I glued that on with art glitter glue. And it seems stuck. And then I glued the whole thing to this piece of textured paper. Just play. Just take your stuff and play. This blue purse, I think, was a reject. I think Noni gave this to me. Maybe it was in an ephemera pack she got, or she just knew I'd like it. So I put stickers on it that said recharge your batteries, and stars, and another stamp. Look at that, and a tiny butterfly. I haven't layered these yet, but if I don't glue them flat, I'll probably take packaging. You've seen me do it a million times. I'll take one of these packages, lay it down, trace or trim around it, and sturdy it up if I want to mount it. Because I don't like my tags to be flimsy. I didn't bring that stuff out there, and you don't have to do it first. I normally do. This was a paint skin that Andrea made, and I was torn on this because I didn't really want to cover it up. I don't know if I should have added the butterfly. It was super cute before, but it kind of needed something. And I did trim the butterfly down a little because one part of it was damaged and I was trying to fit it on there. So it was a longer butterfly. So I hope you like those. You'll see them pop in on cards. These I was designing to go with everyday eclectic because that seems to be, well, I'm done. I'm not going to count again. So it is the winner for Smash That Small Paper Pad. So this was the colored bin that I had built to go with it. See? I mean, how cute is that? I didn't buy anything extra. I just had it. So you can buy a $2.99 pad and then have a ton of fun. Or, admit it, you can go through your stash and get some papers that you like. If you're at home and you're watching me with 6x6 pads and you don't have any, look at this. You have printed papers or other papers, or you have junk mail. You have things you can mix and match. You didn't have to buy it in a pad. And I probably won't explain them in detail when they show up on cards. Metal Scrappin' Chick is in my Smash That Small Paper Pad, and she mentioned Splendor. And I only have a couple of these bins, and this one has been in this bin for, what, at least a year since we were doing the beginner card series. It's a playlist that I have for those of you who haven't seen it. And making those, and then you guys got better at making cards and you didn't need me to help you anymore, so I just stopped and set the bin aside. I was thinking I should work on this and smash it. Now the problem I realized this morning is it's a pack and a half because I had more than one, so I kept going, but maybe I could at least knock out the loose parts. I don't know. I might try and smash that and get rid of it, or at least dent it. let's see, what else? I'm going to put these back down here so you can study them a little and see them more because they were so cute while I talk at least. Black glass mat makes a lot of glare and it's very noisy. I love it to work on. It's not great to film on. So I try not to use it because you'll be blinded as I move things around. But I mean, I know my counter's like not the most stylish. The funny thing is, if you saw my kitchen, my craft room and cabinets and counter are nicer than my kitchen. Funny stuff, huh? For no paper left behind, hello again is what I'm going to use. Have you guys been tidying? Are you tidying your houses up? It is crazy how much I'm getting done. I gave up and rearranged my bedroom closet like in a COVID setup. Let's face it, I'm going to wear sweats, sweatshirts, maybe a solid color t-shirt and jeans. That's going to be the extent of my dressing up. If I go anywhere, I take my clothes off and throw them in the washer. So I'm washing my clothes all the time. That's an old Humane Society training trick. I just can't help it. My husband laughs, but when I come in the house, I just start over. And so I'm not wearing pretty clothes. I'm just not. So I just rearranged my whole closet that way. My craft room is getting tidier. Well, there was sort of an explosion because I made some cards for Christy Marcotte's challenge. That's a different video. I think you'll like those. They're cute, but I didn't put anything away afterwards. So these are just random topics that I thought about telling you. When the temperature outside gets a little better or the rain stops, it has to be kind of one or the other. I'm going to put out the rug and decorate the deck and show you what it looks like when it's all put together. I have succulents to plant, and I haven't brought all my succulent pots out of the shop yet because I think, like last night it was 39, I think. We're not quite into temperatures that they will be happy in. I probably should water them though, so they look good when you see them on the deck. Oh, when you see that video with my beautiful sweats, you'll also see that it didn't even occur to me to put makeup on or style my hair. But I thought, oh well, I made it, it's fine. When I went to edit it, I was laughing. Then, did I mention I have High Fidelity on my list? I don't know if we've found that movie online yet. So Pamela mentioned that a while ago because she knows I'm a John Cusack fan. And I think that's it for now. I'm going to try and tidy up my craft room. I have all sorts of fun videos coming. Some tidying, some mess making, and I need to figure out when I'm going to do the giveaway for 5,000 subscribers. It's probably going to be another week, I think. If you're having trouble getting inspired or you're struggling, be sure, we talked about before, making yourself a list of fun things to do. So when you have a moment where you're struggling, you can refer to it. Get out. If you're messy, if you're a butterfly, dig through a pile of stuff like this in your craft room. A drawer that's messy. Organize your ribbon. Go through your embellishments. Do something. Resort your paper pads by color or alphabet. I think somewhere along the way, you'll find some inspiration and get sidetracked. That alphabet thing, that's for you crickets, because I'm never going to sort my paper alphabetically. But whatever makes you happy. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you're taking time for crafting and relaxing, and be good to yourselves. This is a really hard time for some people, and I want you to know that you're going to look back on this at some point and think it was a good time. So it might be a while. It might be a while. But definitely be sure you're enjoying this time. Bye-bye.